So let's take a look at how to add or how to set up a default start and end date for a particular user. First, we log into Sage X3 using the admin account, and we will go to Setup, Users, and we're going to make this change as an example for the admin user. So from the left list, if the user isn't already on the screen, select the admin user, and we're going to go down to the Parameters tab. Now in my example screen here, we want to get to the Supervisors chapter, and in order to do that I need to go to page 2. You may need to go to a different page to find it, but what we need to find is the Supervisor chapter for the DEF or default group. In my case it's line 31. So we're going to select Detail, and we're going to be focusing on the parameters for the default start date and the default end date, lines 1 and 2. And I'm going to make a change so that the values will be 2025 as the start and end date. So the default start date is going to be 1/1/2025, the end date 12/31/2025. I'm going to click OK, and you also have to remember that after you close that screen, from the user's screen you need to click Save, otherwise those changes won't take. And after a moment the record has been saved. Now let's test out a couple of reports and see if our defaults appear. So if we go to the reports, we're going to go to the reports section, and then we're going to go into reports and reports one more time, and we're going to look at a couple of reports and see if they've been updated. The first one is the allocation. So from the left list you can type it in and pull it up that way. So here's the allocation report, and you'll notice that the requirement date range now has the first value 1/1/2025 and then the ending or final value 12/31/2025. So this ties back to the default values that we set. Let's pull up one more report, and that is the AR client. And as you can see here in the AR client, the date range has also been changed to 1/1/2025, ending date or final value of 12/31/2025. And in this particular report there's another set of parameters for date range that have also been changed, which is the delivery date range, and you can see it's been updated there too. So I hope you give this a try and that it's helpful to you to have these date parameters changed so that if you do run reports regularly with the same date ranges, it'll help save you some time. Thank you.